for Pat Maroon, that 2-goal game went a long way for the entire team, not just Pat.
Yeah. He had 6 hits as well.
That's not unusual.
Well, look at that score, 16-3.
Here's Sergachev. Wester gets through. Sorokin tracks it and makes the stop. Here's Sergachev again.
Look at it! It's Sergachev!
He's really got to feel offensively this year. 9th goal of this season. He's been in double digits before, but not the last couple of years. But Sergachev, watch the control in the shot.
Got a couple games getting double digits this year.
Might have got tweaked up by an Islander defenseman. But see how he just makes sure that he gets it through. Only the goaltender and Sorokin kind of looked back. Oh yeah, there's no doubt about that. I didn't see that. There were too many bodies down here. But the change of direction, I think, off of Romanov and past Sorokin, 9th goal of the season by Sergachev. But Sergei has taken a lot off his shot. His control factor, it's like you off the tee box in golf. You take a little off it, you stay down the middle between the trees, right, Dave?
That's a nice approach, yes. But I don't know how it applies here. Anyway.
Yeah, we won't force that.
Sergachev already had career highs in assists and points. He's now 1 away from a career high. Tying his career high in goals. As you point out, it's his 9th. And what a shot indeed. He can take a little off his shot, and there's still a lot on it.
No doubt.
Center out in front, and Engvall almost got his stick on that. Here's Nelson with a sharp angle shot. And Vasilevsky hugs that post and knocks it down. Wrist on the way, over the shoulder of Vasilevsky. Engvall.
Sergachev.
Noodle pushing one back, and that one is tipped just wide on the glove side.
Coverage away from the puck is going to be really important in this game. This is a straight line game.
Here's a chance for Janot. He fired it high. Tanner Janot still in search of that first goal as a member of the Lightning. Had a good chance there, but he was in tight. Knocked down by Cole. So this is Kucherov into the corner. Cole puts it across. Pulled out by Chernak. Final minute of the first period. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare is going to lead in the corner for Kucherov. Kucherov on top. Chernak looks, shoots. That was redirected right in front, and Sorokin made a stop. And it's lifted down. Ford icing call.
Yeah, Sorokin stayed right with that one. That was a nasty redirection, too. He got victimized by the 1 goal so far. And he must be thinking, is it going to be one of those nights? Can I just not get straight shots at me? But that's what it's all about, the traffic in front. Nice redirection. And
Look at Sorokin's pads and his blocker. Boy, he's faced a lot of rubber this season.
Again tomorrow night in Carolina. There was speculation which game was he going to play. I guess the question is he going to play both? He might play in Carolina tomorrow too.
Hey,
it's that time of year.
Darcy Kemper went back-to-back.
Yep.
They were just here, and he played well in that second game as well. Up to a point. Sent it across, and there is Darren Raddysh, who, by the way, picked up an assist and his first career NHL points on the goal by Sergachev. Colton got the other assist. Banked off the glass and down, and that is going to be it. So the goal by Sergachev, his 9th, is the only one of a very entertaining first period, and it is 1-0 Tampa Bay. There's the guy who got the assist, Darren Raddysh. Here's what's coming up on the Suncoast Hyundai dealer's first intermission report. Highlights, stats, and analysis from Paul Kennedy and Adam Hall standing by the set here at Amalie Arena. Plus, Nick Paul was mic'd up earlier this week for the Lightning's Picture Day, so stick around for all of that. 1-0 is the score. Tampa Bay up on the Islanders. You are watching Lightning Hockey on Bally Sports.